Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to make a video about a very important thing, which is how to transfer your data from an iPhone to an iPhone. And before I start my video, as I always request you guys to subscribe my channel. That will be a great help to me, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload the video. So there was a big update on iPhone iOS 15. Like you can transfer your data from iPhone to iPhone by using the transfer function. So here is one of my iPhone 12 Pro, and the other one is iPhone XS. I'm using a case on it. So to transfer your data, first of all, you need to make sure about the things which is the most important, so it won't take that long. Mine will take longer than usual because I have a lot of stuff. So the thing you need to make sure before you start transferring your data, that your iOS versions both should be same. Like you can update both of them to the latest iOS. That will be good before you start transferring your data. I'm doing this first time. Might will have some problems while doing it. So let's start. And all you need to go into the settings first of all, then go into the general. After general, you need to click on the transfer button, transfer or reset your iPhone. Obviously I'm not going to reset it, but you need to click over here. Here it says that prepare for new iPhone. Make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to back up. Okay, so I will click get started. You will be ready for your new iPhone. All right, that's it. Click done. So click start, get started. Okay, so it's saying that I have to reset this iPhone before I continue. So what I'm going to do is going to reset this iPhone, going into the settings, general, all the way down, transfer and reset. Here I'm going to do reset all content and settings, continue, continue. I did not have anything to in the new iPhone, so I just set it up. I didn't know that I have to reset it before I transfer the data. So that's another thing you have to do before you start transferring the data. So in this case, what will happen actually when you're going to try transfer your data, you have to keep the new phone near to your older phone, so you will receive a pop-up on your iPhone XS or your old iPhone, I would say. So as you can see, it's reset and it's turning on now. So it's, as you can see, it's totally reset now. When I go over here, I will receive the pop-up over here to set up a new iPhone. Yes, click continue. And now it's going to show me the code to scan in my old iPhone, which I'm going to do it right now, like this. I just scanned that code in my iPhone, the older one. It's asking me for the passcode on the other phone. This setting up your iPhone. So that's the only thing you need to be. And there's one more thing I would like to tell you at this point. While you are transferring this way, you have to have a passcode on the old iPhone, otherwise this process will not work. So make sure you have a passcode on your old iPhone. So that's the only way you can make this process work. So now it's setting up my iCloud account to activate this iPhone. So it might will take some time to activate. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Once it will be done, it will ask you to set up few things like your Face ID, your passcode, your like few more step like analytics, or like you see that it's asking me to set up a Face ID, which I will do later. So I will touch on setup later. So it's transfer data from iPhone XS. That's it. Continue. Setting up your Apple ID. If your both phones are not on the same iOS, so while transferring your data, it start gonna update your phone, and trust me, that take too much time. So don't forget to update both of the phones to the latest iOS. So it will help you get your transfer done faster than. So I got a notification that my account is signed in to the new account. So I only need to hit continue. Okay, so I will do that later. So that's not a problem. Not now. Set up later in settings. Preparing to transfer. So let's start transferring the data. So once it will be done, you will see that it's gonna even copy everything. Even the wallpaper of my iPhone XS is gonna be on the new iPhone 12 Pro. So at this point, I would say that it's gonna take time. So I would let it get done, and it says like 13 minutes, 15 minutes. I know that because it's too much data on my phone. So I know it's gonna take time. So I'll be right back after it's gonna be about to get done. All right. So as you can see that transfer is complete on my iPhone XS. Now it's gonna reboot my new iPhone, and once the reboot will be done, all of my application and everything is gonna be on the new iPhone. So that's all the procedure about. I was talking about iOS 15. That's pretty good, and you don't need to do anything. But as the time depends on the data you have in your phone. So that's uh, that's the that's it for the transfer. There's nothing else you need to do. No like cable to cable or nothing like that. So all you need to do is like you need to make sure about two things. The first thing is that both of the iPhones should be on the latest iOS or the same iOS. The other thing, you need to make sure the new iPhone should be all reset and on the hello screen. So in that case, you will get the pop-up on the old phone to transfer your data. So right now, as you can see that everything is transfer has been complete. It's asking me to erase this iPhone now, which I do not want to at all. So not now. I'm back on my home screen and just waiting for the new phone to boot up. And once it will boot up, and everything will be good to go. So like I'm done with my old phone now. Thus, let's just put it on the side. So here's my new phone. So it's back on hello screen. As I told you that it's even gonna copy your wallpaper from the iPhone XS. So same passcode as on the other one. Continue, agree. It's gonna be again same setup. You need to do a little bit. I don't want to do anything right now, so just set up later. So what's the difference? No one can say that is it the same, is a different iPhone. So it's loading all the applications. So as you can see, first page, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and everything is same. So that's all you need to do when you want to transfer your data from iPhone to iPhone. And that's it for the day. So before I leave, go ahead and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon so you would know that whenever I'm uploading the new video. Thank you for watching.